Welcome to the hydraulic press kitchen.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And if your food isn't cubified, you are leaving a lot of performance on the table. So today we're going to cubify some foods. And so far we have been cubifying foods that are already cooked. And today we are going to try to improve the packaging efficiency. How you say it?
Yeah. The packaging efficiency.
Of these fine products, microwave, popcorn and pizza. So first cubification and then microwave. I think we are going to throw the pizza to air fryer for maximum crust on the outside. And then after that, just for shit and giggles, let's try out aluminum foil. Okay, look all of this wasted space. I think we can turn all this into one cube. That would solve like all the global problems if the microwave popcorns could be shipped in smaller packets. This feel really oily. I think I can already say that I'm not going to ever eat again microwave popcorn. Look at this.
Yeah, I saw.
People eat
that. Yeah, I know.
People eat this. I'm not going to eat it anymore. I think that's probably. I'm pretty sure that that's enough.
Ew, I have to go to wash my hands.
Yeah, me too. I think we have to be really careful. If we push with the too much force, everything is going to just fly out as an like popcorn paste, and that's not going to pop anymore. So just a like mild tap on top of the popcorns. Lift it a bit higher. I think more honest name for the product would be microwavable fat.
Yeah.
Because there's like more fat than the popcorns. But that looks nice. Let's pop it open. Okay. I'm not sure, are we ready for this? Oh no. I think it's like
too greasy.
It didn't cubify at all. I think we are going to still microwave this just to make sure that the crushing didn't ruin those. But let's also get the pizza cube ready. Hey, I'm going to make a trick. I'm going to leave a little bit here, so then the pizza will have these.
Popcorn pizza.
Did you notice there was metal scrap on the popcorn?
Yeah, it's as in like it should be there. It's for iron. You need iron, especially women need a lot of iron.
So Hanna can eat these.
Yeah. This is like supplement. Okay, then Hanna's choice for pizza, mozzarella, and popcorn.
Slightly cut this so we can fit it better.
I think that's also slightly greasy. There's so much cheese on that.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit more, not much more.
Not much.
And we can also put the other side of the pizza, the other side of the air fryer.
Yeah.
And we can
compare
which is better. Or how much better is the cubified pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's ready. Let's go. Okay, then I'm going to line the tool. It's good. Try with just the tip first.
Yeah, the popcorn left really nice grease there. It's not going to go stuck. It looks like the ham cuber also. Ham cuber or chicken nuggets.
Hard work, this cooking business. Hey!
Yeah, it worked perfectly.
It's so nice. It's a beautiful thing. We need a like knife. Let's cook it. This is the innovation that Europe needs. US might have the ChatGPTs and stuff like that, but we have cubified pizza here. This is going to like save us all. Okay, here is the traditional, boring one, and the perfection.
Yeah, 11 or 12 minutes, 150.
Yeah, 200.
Okay, 200.
Let's have a look after like maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We can microwave while we are waiting.
Let's hope there is not a lot of metal inside those.
Okay, Hanna, you are going to be the main cooker. I'm going to be the like camera guy.
I can't even remember when I have last time made popcorn.
It's going to be infernal mess without the bag.
Yeah, first one!
Okay, the popcorn's still open, but I really hope that the pizza doesn't open. It has to stay as a cube. Or will it? It's actually, if it unfolds it out to be pizza again, that's also innovation.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not ready yet. Is it cube or is it opening?
It's cute.
It's cube!
Awesome! It looks really, really, really good.
What is the sound from here? Popcorns! There are popcorns.
Yeah.
It's like full meal.
Yeah.
Like meal deal.
Yeah. It's a Friday night meal.
Yeah, if you have like something unhealthy like pizza, then you can balance it out by eating more unhealthy stuff like popcorn.
Yeah.
That's the fast food like mentality. I think the basic pizza is now done.
Yeah, it looks.
I have never done this in air fryer. How you should get it out? Maybe a couple more minutes. It's the cube is quite thick compared to the pizza. It's amazingly hard.
Yeah.
Doesn't get soft even after 10 minutes. Food has been served. I have to say that from all the cubifications that we have done,
Yeah.
this has to be the best.
Even better than the cold one.
Yeah, because I knew that we can cubify cold, but who would thought that you can cubify pizza? No sane person would ever try to cubify pizza.
Do that. Let's see what's inside.
Hey, listen. Amazing. So crunchy. We have truly succeed here.
Really?
Yeah. It's just like pizza, just crunchier and in much better, more efficient form. Imagine if they had just cubes on the freezers on the store
Like, yeah. Now they took so much space.
with the stupid boxes. I think we can just now eat this. Pizza on company's expenses. Tax-free pizza. I want to also try again with the popcorns. Now let's do the popcorns, not microwavable butter.
Yeah, Lauri has done something and he's very exciting about
Do
it.
you know what I have done?
Well, no.
I have fucked up. Let's go have a look.
Well, that's not a surprise.
I was doing second try of the popcorn. Just
Yeah.
as a shit and giggles. Look at
dear.
that. Look at that.
How that's possible?
That's quite easy. I'm pressurizing
Yeah.
the popcorn. When the pressure on the popcorn rises, it applies the pressure on all the directions. And here is quite a large surface area of popcorn that's going to apply pressure to this part and pushes it there. And I would say that it's about twice the area of the under the piston. So it's twice the force. And I added maybe 60 tons there.
Okay.
So there was 120 tons
Yeah,
trying
going
to,
that direction.
trying to open the tool.
Yeah.
And now it's opening. But this is first time when this happens. So I'm going to try to open it and let's see how badly did I fucked up. And also the fact that it took so long to break this.
That might be some kind of a record of tools that Lauri have made ever. No.
It didn't work still. Yeah, let's fix the tool and try the aluminium foil with bit less force. Okay, it's good as new. I would like to take the credit of being so smart to buy spare parts, but the truth is that I was too lazy to buy just 6 bolts. I took the whole box because I'm lazy. And now we have 18 meters or 60 feet or like 2 swimming pool, half a tennis court, 1 elephant and 2-story building of aluminium foil.
Yeah.
And we are going to make it to solid aluminium block. And it's like I knew from the experience that if you crush it and add more, there is going to be just 2 layers.
Yeah.
So I try to put slightly more. So there is now maybe just length of 1 elephant there.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, now it's ready. Let's go. I think this one we have to push through.
Holy shit.
oh.
It's
Put it down. Yeah, I'm going to open it. So you can use microwave popcorns as an industrial lubricant, but don't eat them.
Yeah.
That's the thing that we learned today.
yeah.
Oh, it's so
Tiny.
so thin.
Oh. How long the tool should be if we would like to have like a whole cube? 10 times.
15, 10,
Yeah.
10 to 20 times taller. But this is solid. I'm going to try to like, no, not,
Not gonna happen.
this feels like solid aluminium. Now we turned aluminium into aluminium. What an amazing feat. We are
Good day.
true alchemists here. Yeah, I think that is the like best, not the best. The pizza was amazing.
Yeah.
If we be honest, the pizza is the best thing that I have ever done. Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.